cricking? Yes, sir. We are fucking back. Oh man, it feels good to be back in front of some music in front of you guys. I know I have been neglecting the other side of the world. Shout out to my Aussie boys. You know what I'm saying? I hope that's not like a racist term. Like, I hope you guys don't get offended by that. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying that. I apologize ahead of time if I am. If not, shout out to them boys out there, Australia, man. They gave me some good recommendations. So, you guys try to get me in trouble over here, okay? Now y'all trying to get me in some bullshit. Cause y'all know I like them boys, man. What's that? The 1-4 boys? Y'all know I fucks with the 1-4 boys. But you guys want me to look at 21 District, the ops, bro. What am I supposed to do here, man? Go watch the fucking video. And that's what we're gonna do, guys. Today we're gonna be looking at 21 District Compressor. Ooh, that sound like some drama shit. Oh no, Mayu don't say Mayu. Okay, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't seen the video, enjoy the video. If you have seen the video, enjoy the reaction. Make sure you press that like button, that subscribe button. Lord Crib, we in it.
Just run the side. Fuck me, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
You gotta be fucking kidding me, man.
Alright, come down. You talk.
Yeah, J-Lex. Still with it. Okay. What? Yeah, nah. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get precious, a compressor. Kids get squashed, wipe like a mop, one sweep and they all get washed. Rappers trying to put us on reels. But how can I complain when the papers, they finally see who's real. I was up with the bros on hills, tumbled back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback, Malik and RG giving them chills. These days I don't get feels anymore. With them up, then I feel that thrill. Get far when I pop two. When I observe and a lot, there's a big man drill. I love when a big man screw. I've got lollies for any ordeals. From God, he just got more real when I grab that holly and murk that, insert that, pick that. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My gun get precious, a compressor. Kids get squashed, work like a mop, one sweep and they all get washed. It's solid. 21 District game for the ballers. We back on set with the rest. Too much text, but they got no callers. Yeah, like, who's on it? We on it, and I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorted. And if I'm locked, then I'll slaughter, brother. They racist thanks we call it. Come see me walk that yard with a flat, I double the neck. We play bang for the set like me. We put fouls in the head on G's, with G's got G's on G's. Flash me cash that I made you cheap. Maybe it's body harmful and needed, and left bleeding, and no pieces. So, don't know how they fall out. Guns out, backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, like flip that shit, locking it down. Smell focus and early. But if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him. Talk that talk cause I cop that lock, little dog say lurking, aye.
Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip when the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, bang, spray, all day shit, gang, load that clip and bang, bang. No beef that I cannot drop, so till I'm done this shit won't stop. No way. Got soldiers out on roads and we got soldiers up in lock. I pray for the day that my whole gang eats when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touch down in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside, if they want smoke, consider it done. Got bros in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1 all day. Trust that the jewels get done, in the PM when the packs get flung. Out on the road if you want to get some, black karma's a bitch, that's why you lost one.
Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get precious, a compressor. Yeah, squash, wipe like a mop, one sweep and they all get washed. One sweep and I'm leaving a mess. Please look tough and you will get stretched. But how can I take them serious? They look up to cunts and I'm pressed. No pressure, I run up all day. No Moses here, but I raise his stick. Watch all of these cunts give way. Ha, ha, ain't no tactics. Only guns in the inner west traffic. Get got and it will be graphic. How about ain't got put on the catfish? Lad, I ride for the gang. Trust don't play in the 21 era. And if you take that chip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Tell mum you'll be back by never. They're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference of ops. My comp get precious, a compressor. Guns get squashed, wipe like a mop, one sweep and they all get washed. Now chicks wanna go for a walk, yeah nah. When feds wanna take out the tape and press record, yeah nah. Machine on the off, feeling my bro, friends of ops, my comp get pressed, it's a compressor. Cunts get squashed, wipe like a mop, one sweep and they all get washed.
Jay, wake up, dogs.
Wake up, bruh.
Get out.
Don't be sleeping at the wheel, bruh.
Hey, big boy, what have you drilled? 15 first drilling in Granville. Please handle your friends careful. Run up and change his skin like Randall. Us youngins were letting on fire. Putting in work, that's a Roman candle. Your mum, she prayed to the Lord when I robbed these lands to pay that landlord.
Easy, boy. Easy, boy. Them boys was going in, boy. I like fuck with that song. You know, I'm not gonna say who I like better because that's not who I am. I fuck with music. But I fuck with them boys, man. That shit was a real banger, boy. Straight up. So I gotta listen to some more 1-4 to even out because I ain't trying to have no problems on this channel, y'all. You already know what time it is, right? This is a friendly family zone, okay? Don't bring that bullshit on him or you gonna get the shotgun to the butt, all right? But anyway, guys, I fuck with them boys, man. I'm gonna definitely probably do a couple more videos with them. You let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know what you thought about the reaction. Make sure you guys will follow me on my YouTube. Make sure you are press subscribe, and like on this motherfucker. Don't play with me, my boy. But make sure you follow me on my YouTube. All right, Lord Crook, one word, Lord Crook. Y'all act like y'all don't see me on the. Come on, man. Show me some love. Come on, man. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm doing y'all videos for y'all. Least y'all can do is show me a little love. All right. Always, guys, keep it classy. No matter where you at, you know what I'm saying. If you can't be safe, be dangerous. You heard me now. All right. Lord Crook out.